Hi, I'm Dr. Prakash. I'm a neonatologist at Cloud9 Chennai. Cesarean section are two types. One is an elective cesarean section and another one is an emergency cesarean section. Okay. If the baby is delivered by elective cesarean section, there is a higher chance of baby having a respiratory distress. Why? Because normally inside the womb, the baby is inside the womb, the lungs secrete some fluids. Okay. At the time of delivery, the secretion of fluids changes over and becomes an absorption mechanism. Initially, it has been a secretory process inside the fetus. At the time of delivery, due to various hormonal factors, the secretion becomes absorption. If a normal process of delivery goes on, these secretory changes into an absorptive pattern. In case of an elective cesarean section, this change doesn't happen correctly, as a result of which when the baby is delivered, the fluids are going to be there in the lung, which will cause a fast breathing in the baby, and it will take some time for the fluids to get resolved. It usually settles within 2 to 3 days. Sometimes it takes about 7 days for the fluid to get resolved completely. Until the time the baby will have a respiratory distress, so there is a higher chance of baby delivered by elective cesarean section to have a respiratory distress.